Welcome to our guide on vehicle kill switch, is a powerful tool against car theft. Today, we'll explore what a kill switch is, how it works, its importance, and a step-by-step guide on installing one in your vehicle.
A kill switch is a security feature that disrupts the flow of electricity or fuel to the engine. Essentially, it's a hidden mechanism that prevents the vehicle from starting. When activated, the kill switch interrupts the circuit required for the vehicle to start. It could cut off power to the ignition, fuel pump, or other vital systems, rendering the vehicle immobile. Car theft is a significant concern worldwide. A kill switch acts as a deterrent, adding an extra layer of protection against theft, especially in cases where standard security measures fail. Types of kill switches. Ignition kill switch interrupts the circuit between the ignition switch and the ignition coil, preventing the engine from receiving the spark needed to start. Fuel kill switch interrupts the circuit between the fuel pump and the battery, stopping fuel flow to the engine. Starter motor kill switch interrupts the circuit between the starter motor and the battery, preventing the engine from cranking and starting. Let's see how to install kill switch. Choose a location for the kill switch. Select a hidden and secure location for the kill switch. Common places include under the dashboard, inside the center console, or near the fuse box. Disconnect the battery. For safety, disconnect the negative terminal of the vehicle's battery to prevent any electrical mishaps during the installation process. Identify the circuit to interrupt. Refer to your vehicle's wiring diagram to identify the appropriate wires to interrupt. Commonly, you'll be looking for wires related to the ignition system or the fuel pump. Cut the wire. Cut the identified wire S and strip a small section of insulation from both ends. Connect the kill switch. Connect one end of the cut wire to one terminal of the kill switch. Connect the other end of the cut wire to the other terminal of the kill switch. Secure and insulate the connections. Use electrical tape to wrap and secure the connections, ensuring they are well insulated and won't accidentally touch or short circuit. Reconnect the battery. Reconnect the negative terminal of the battery. Test the kill switch. Test the kill switch by attempting to start the vehicle with the switch in both the on and off positions. Hit a like and share your idea by commenting below with us. Subscribe our channel for more automotive video. Thank you for watching us.